Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll continue where we left. So today we'll be discussing on unique index, parse index and TTL index, that is time to leave. So we'll concentrate on now on unique index. So what is unique index? So once unique index is created on the collection, it does not allow duplicate values. Duplicate values are rejected. Let us see the practically how unique index works. So student placed is the collection name. I'm going to drop it. So click on this play button. Click on yes. So in collection student placed, I'm going to insert new records. It consists of ID underscore ID, USN, name Ritvi Archavala, college name, company placed, IBM, salary per annum, and skill set. She has Python, Django, and CSS, MySQL. Here skills is an array. Skills is an array field. So next is comes US number 24 VV 20CS 078, name Rajesh, college name VVIT, company placed TCS, salary per annum, and its skill set. Next comes the third record, which consists of 4VI 20CS 18, name Dechama, college name VVCE, company placed Infosys, salary per annum, skill set. So these three records I'm going to insert. So click on this play button. So three records has been successfully inserted in the collection named student placed. So now we'll see how to create a unique index. So for creating a unique index, you have to make use of syntax db.students underscore placed, that is collection name, followed by create index, followed by fields you have to provide here. I am providing two fields. So USN and name. USN colon 1 name colon 1 followed by curly braces. Within curly braces, you have to provide unique colon true. This makes index unique. So you cannot insert duplicate values for USN and name. It will throw error. So we'll create the unique index here. So click on yes. So here's the index name USN underscore 1 underscore name underscore 1. So we'll check whether index are created by using students collection name, that is student underscore placed dot get indexes. It will list the indexes created on the particular collection. So clearly you can see recently I created this unique index. So I'm inserting one record here, fourth record. It consists of the third record. Fourth record I'm inserting here. So same record I'm inserting 480 20 CS 0. This is duplicate value. Prithvi R Chawla. This is also duplicate value. College name also is duplicate value. You can see here clearly see. First record is same. It is same as this 480 20 CS 82. Name is Ritu Chala. College ATME. So here when I'm going to insert, it will throw duplicate error. So this is called unique index. Sorry, this I will add to execute. I already executed. So click on this button. So clearly you can see here you will get a error message duplicate key error because it is already inserted. This USN number and name Prithvi or Charla is already inserted. That is what that is unique index is. So if you want to drop the indexes, you can make use of dot student placed. I'll copy this collection name here, followed by drop indexes. It will list all. It will drop all the indexes created. So unique index has been dropped. So we'll check whether the index has been dropped. Get indexes. It will list the indexes. See, here only one index exists. The unique index has been successfully dropped. We'll consider another example. So this is an example consists of demo how to use unique compound index. So basically we'll use products underscore details. So this collection I'm going to drop. Click on this play button. So here collection name is products underscore detail. So since I'm inserting one record, I'm going to use insert one here. So since syntax for inserting single record is db dot product underscore details dot insert one followed by the product. So what is the product? Laptop. So location where it is available, center Panagala, and its quantity is available 5 and 10. I will insert this. So click on this play button here. So it has been successfully inserted. So I'm going to insert now second and third record, which is product desktop PC. Third is product scanners. Location for first record is for location of desktop PC center Shakti Nagara. Quantity is 5 and scanners is for location center is Jaleshmipura. So quantity is 10. I'm going to insert it. It will get inserted. So totally I'm inserting now 3 records into the collection. You can find the contents of the product details by using tb.product underscore details dot find. You can see what are the contents of the collection here. Clearly you can see here product laptops, uh, location, center. Center and quantity are embedded fields, nested fields of fields location. Similarly you can see third record, fourth record. I'll expand it. You can see Shakti Nagara quantity available 5 desktop PC. This product scanner is available in Center Jaleshwapuram. Quantities available list. So I'll close it. So now we'll find out how to create a unique compound multi-key index. So we'll create an index on location dot center, which is embedded field here. Location dot center is embedded field. Location dot quantity is also embedded field. Here we are creating a unique index on embedded fields. Unique index on embedded fields. Press enter here. It is not available. It's clearly not visible here, so you can see it. Only thing you have to provide here field name followed by the colon 1 or minus 1. 1 for ascending order, minus 1 for descending order. Followed by in curly places you have to provide colon true, unique true. That makes it unique index. So execute this in order to create a unique index. Click on this. Yes. Clearly you can see index name has been unique index name has been created. So this is the unique index name. We'll copy and paste it here. So now since I have created unique index, I will try to insert one more record. We'll see whether it will accept the values. So what are the values I'm going to insert in fourth record? Product, that is type of mobiles. So I created unique index on location center and location quantity. Here we will find out duplicate value. So Vijayanagar is not available, is not a duplicate value. Since you can see the Shakti Nagar, Jalakshmipuram and you can see Kuvampanagar are the centers. So Vijayanagar is a unique value. So when you come to quantity 5 is duplicate because it's present here. You can see here Shakti Nagara second record. It has location center Shakti Nagara, quantity is 5. You can see here quantity 5 is duplicated. So this record will not be inserted. It will reject it. Click on this button. Click on S. Clearly you got the error that duplicate error collection because you created unique index on quantity 5 is duplicated. So next we'll try to insert one more record. Here product consists of mobiles, location is Coimpanagara. This is already repeated. It's a duplicated, I think. Panagra is there. So we can see a Panagra is there. It's already inserted. Quantity 5, that is also inserted here. Panagra is here. Quantity 5 is also here. You can see it is also present in second record also. Quantity 5. So this also will show the error. Click on this. So clearly you can see it's not allowing to insert because the Coimpanagra and quantity 5 both are duplicate already present in the collection. So now we are going to freshly insert new record. So which are of different values. So here ID 4 product of type mobiles. Location is center. I'll choose a new center Yadagiri, which is not present in the centers. Which is not present in center, and quantity also is 20, which is also unique. Both center and quantity also is unique. So I'll insert it. So it will get inserted because they are not duplicate. They are not duplicate values. So clearly you can see it has been inserted successfully. So you can check whether the new record has been inserted or not. Click on yes. So we'll check the fourth record. So clearly you can see fourth record has been successfully inserted. Mobile center Yadagiri, quantity available is 20. So in order to get the list of indexes, I already discussed the syntax db product details dot get indexes. Click on yes. So you can see unique indexes I have created. Clearly you can see unique is colon true and unique key index name here. This is you can correlate. This is an example for unique index of multi-key index. So now we'll come to sparse index. This finishes the this unique index. Now we'll come to sparse index. What do you mean by sparse index? So sparse index is a optimized index which only contains pointers to documents that have values in index field. So we'll take an example here. So sparse index is optimized index which contains pointers to documents that have values in index fields. So we'll take a collection name persons. I will drop it. So I have dropped the contents of the collection. Now I'm going to freshly insert the records into collection name person. So before inserting, we'll go through what is the data. So ID, which is basically similar to primary key, first name. It consists of name Yogesh, last name KS. So first name again Vinay, last name Kumar, Vinay Kumar, age 17. So first name here in third record, last name is not present here. Third, fourth, and fifth is not present. Suppose we can create index on index last name is equal to 1. This is the single type index I am creating. So this is the single field index I have created. So, so remember that last name is not present in the record 3, which is not present for Manjunath. Last name is not present for record 4, Pradeep, and record 5 is last name is not present in record 5, that is Mukesh. So clearly you can see. So here you can see in order to create a sparse index, you have to follow the syntax db.persons.create index followed by the field you have to you want to create field you have to specify field. So you're creating the field sparse index on last name. So last name colon 1 and in within curly braces you have to specify sparse colon true. So this enables you to create sparse index on field last name. So remember that wherever the last name is present, the sparse index will be created. So clearly I told you earlier. So last name is present only on the record one, Yogesh and Vinay. So in third, fourth record, Manjunath, Pradeep, and Mukesh, last name is present. So sparse index creates only where field exists. So it will create indexes for only one and two records. Remaining three, four, five, it will not be created. I'll repeat it again. Sparse index will be created where field exists only. So last name we are creating sparse index on field last name. So last name is present only in the first record and second record, that is Yogesh and Vinay. Next three, four, five records, last name is not present. Hence, so Sparks index creates indexes on only first two records. So it enables you to create index on fields only present on fields where last name exists. So only one and two records will be indexed. So you can see here. Uh, you can see here MongoDB will add indexes only to for documents, that is ID1 and ID2. Since these are only two rows where it contain last name, rest of the fields indexes sparse index is not created. So now we'll come to partial index. Partial indexes only indexes the document in a collection that that meet specified filter expression. In other words, partial indexes only indexes that satisfies or matches the specified filter expression, that is conditions. So by indexing subset of a documents in collection, partial indexes have lower storage space, reduce lower storage space, lower storage requirements, and reduce performance cost. So advantage of partial indexes: lower storage requirements and reduced performance cost. Partial indexes offer superset of functionality of sparse indexes and should be preferred over sparse index. So we'll come to here partial indexes. So this is how you create a partial index. So db.person dot create index. So I'm creating index on age. So I'll specify field name age colon one. So you make use of keyword in order to create partial index. You have to make use of keyword partial filter expression. So in partial filter expression, you have to provide the condition here. That is specified criteria. So I'm provide condition age greater than or equal to 18 and field name should exist. So two criteria I'm giving uh, two criteria I'm giving within the partial filter expression, that is age should be greater than 18 and age should exist. So only then index will be created. That's why it's called partial index. So coming to here, we'll see where age exists and age should be greater than 18. Check it. So in the first record, age is not present. So index will not be created on the first record, that is Yogesh. Coming to second record, that is Vinay Kumar. Here age is present here, but it is less than 18. So here also it does not matches the condition. So it will miss the index. It will index will not be created on the second record. So first and second record index will not be created. So coming to third record here, it satisfies the condition here, matched condition. Age should exist and age should be greater than 18. It is 19. Age should be greater than 18. That is 25. So age should be greater than 18. Again, age is 28. So last 3, 4, 5 records partial index will be created. So this is the syntax I already discussed here. You should use db persons dot create index followed field on which you have to create partial index followed by keyword partial filter expression and condition you have to specify. Age is greater than 18 and age should exist. Field should exist in collection. So I'll execute it. Click on this play button. So partial index has been successfully created. Now we'll come to the TTL index, which is the last index I'm going to discuss. So TTL index stands for time to live. So it's an index, specialized index that automatically removes the document from a collection after specified period. So TTL index is a specialized index that MongoDB automatically removes the document from collection after certain amount of time or after specified period. So TTL index are usually defined on the date field. In other words, field should be mandatorily date. So TTL index is special index in MongoDB that automatically deletes documents when time condition is met. It operates on field that store date values and ensure date expiration happens in background without user intervention. So, so here you can see time to live, time to live. TTL indexes are special field indexes that MongoDB can use automatically remove documents for collection after certain amount of time or after specific clock time. So we'll consider practically how it works. So db sessions dot drop. I'm going to drop this collection. So here I'm going to insert two records in sessions collection. It consists of a underscore ID colon one name Naveen token created at time created. So name Shiv Kumar token and created. So I will insert these records. So two records has been successfully inserted. So here you can see within the TTL index, you can use partial index also. For partial filter index, you can provide name. So here to use two fields created at you have to provide here uh, colon 1. This is the field on which you are going to create TTL index. So next is expire after seconds. This is the time you are setting after which the document has to be deleted. So if I execute the query after 24 hours, the contents of session will be deleted. So this second example, if I execute this, contents of session will be deleted after 1800, means it takes 30 minutes. It will take 30 minutes. So instead of that, I will choose this option here. db sessions dot create index. It will create an index, that is TTL index. It will create on the field created at. So created at should be of type date. So expire after seconds. This will automatically delete the contents after 10 seconds. So I'll repeat it. Time to TTL time to leave index is a automatically removes the documents after certain amount of time. So here uh, TTL index I have created on the field created at colon 1. This is the created at field name, and expire after second means 10 seconds I am giving. I am setting the 10 seconds after which the contents of session will be deleted. Let's see. So index has been successfully created. So we'll check whether the contents have been deleted or not. Click on yes. So contents are still there because 10 seconds has not come still. 10 seconds has yet to come. We'll wait for some seconds or some minutes. Meanwhile, we'll check the indexes are created by using get. We'll list the indexes. Clearly, you can see TTL index have created at 1. It will expire after 10 seconds. So clearly you can see after 10 seconds, the contents of the session collection has been deleted, removed. So we'll see one more example. So I'll insert freshly again this. Click on this play button. So here you can see, here I'm creating TTL index. This TTL index involves partial index also. It contains partial index. So here I'm creating TTL index on the field created at. So colon 1. So created at should be of type date, and partial filter expression here I'm specifying here condition here said that name should be equal to Naveen, and expire after seconds means after 10 seconds the record which is equal to name equal to Naveen will be deleted. I'll repeat it. So this is example of this one TTL index. So created at is the field name, your field name, uh, and then partial filter expression. Here you're using partial index. You will be specifying the condition here. So what is the condition you are specifying? Name should be equal to Naveen. If this condition matches, then it will be deleted after the 10 seconds. There, this I have given as expire after seconds. That is 10. So document related to Naveen will be deleted. Before that, we'll check it before creating that index. I think they are not inserted. So I should drop it index. I'll drop it index. I have not dropped the index because after every 10 seconds it will keep on creating the it will keep on deleting the index if I have not dropped the index. Now I have dropped the indexes. Now I'll freshly insert this record. Click on play button. Yes. So two records have been successfully inserted. We'll check it. No records, no indexes should be created yet. So you can see no indexes have been created. So here coming at, I'm going to create another index. So field name is created at. So partial filter expression, it allows you create partial index. So here I'm specifying the condition name should be equal to Navi. So after expire after seconds, after 10 seconds, record name equal to Naveen should be deleted. So before executing that this one creating that detail index, we'll check the contents of session. So clearly you can see where name is equal to Naveen. Here it is. First record name is equal to Naveen should be deleted after 10 seconds. We'll create it. Click on yes button. Created. So we have created successfully the detail index. We'll find out. We'll check the indexes. So here you can see partial index has been created that it should be equal to Naveen, and it will expire. Remove the document after 10 seconds. So clearly you can see after 10 seconds the name equal to Naveen has been deleted. So guys, this is the end of the index topic. So I'll stop it here. I'll see you in next video. In next video, I'll discuss on text indexes. Again, guys, thank you for listening.